This lake isn't just used for wakaama, schools come here, kohanga come here, and their kids swim in the lake. And what was happening is that the people that were coming and drinking, they were throwing their bottles into where the kids swim, and they were coming out cut. One of my nephews had like 10 stitches in his leg. It was so dangerous for them to be swimming there with all these broken bottles. The hardest thing about not having a liquor ban is that you could ring the police, but without a liquor ban, it's hard for them to move them on. Finally, we have a liquor ban.
It was Katene who really pushed when something came up in council that there should be an alcohol ban here.
It took Ngāi Takoto, New Zealand Police and Whanau District Council to be able to get it done. There's lots of wakaama clubs that come here. So I paddle and coach for ngā hoihoro, but Rangunu's also here, Omatai, natives wakaama train here. There's so many different rōpū that train here at the lake. Hundreds and thousands of people use our lake all year round, and they should be able to use it and it'd be a safe place, and I think this makes it a little bit more safer for us all.